Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Before I get into this review, please go subscribe to a channel of someone I've known for a few years on YouTube. You may have heard of Citrus Aviation before, done model reviews and things. Slightly altering his content now with a brand new channel called Aviation today, so he'd be very much appreciative if you could go check out his channel and possibly subscribe. I'll leave a link to his channel in the pinned comment in the comment section. So it'd be really cool if you could go check him out. Today I'll be reviewing the Malaysia Airlines A350-900XWB by JC Wings in a 1 to 200 scale. Please check the description in case you miss anything throughout this video. All of my social media links will be down there. I pre-ordered this from easytoys.com. Their link will also be down in the description. This is my 17th A350 model and it's my second Malaysia Airlines model. Some information about Malaysia Airlines. Their operations base is out of Kuala Lumpur International Airport in Sepang, Malaysia. Main hub is Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Secondary hubs are Kota Kinabalu International Airport and Kuching International Airport. They were founded on the 1st of May 1947 as Malayan Airways and commenced operations on the 1st of October 1972 after renaming to Malaysia Airlines. Their fleet as of the 1st of May 2019 consists of 84 aircraft, 6 of which are A350-900s. They serve 64 destinations and their current A350 routes are from Kuala Lumpur to London Heathrow, Osaka Kansai, Sydney Kingsford Smith and Tokyo Narita. This aircraft's first flight was on the 9th of November 2017 and delivered to Malaysia Airlines. Airlines, apologise for that. Malaysia Airlines on the 28th of November 2017 and it was the first A350 delivered to Malaysia Airlines. The Airbus designation code for this aircraft is 41. Let's take a look around the box. So we got just a standard box here, A350 at the top, Malaysia Airlines, a picture of the model, 1/200 scale. On the back, push this further back so you can read it. It's just some general information about the aircraft, just some standard warnings and JC Wings logo. On the top of the box and on the bottom. So there were two versions, as you can see. I have this one, which is just the standard flap configuration, but you also have the second version, which is the flaps down. They also did the same with the release of the Negaraku livery. I don't think I ordered that, no. Or I may have ordered it, I can't remember. But that's a pretty cool livery. Seen it at Auckland a couple times on the A330. It's one of the best liveries there is currently flying. And there we have the model with the stand and the gears. Alright guys, the model is now out of the box and we're going to start at the cockpit windows on the port side. So we have the raccoon style cockpit windows with the pitot tube static ports, part of the registration on the nose gear door, the Oneworld logo because Malaysia Airlines is a member of Oneworld, which is a group of 13 airlines. The Malaysian flag, Malaysia Airlines. Malaysia Airlines is obviously the flag carrier for Malaysia. And then we have the inboard landing light. And onto the Rolls-Royce Trent XWB 84 engine. The detail inside the engine looks very nice. Fan blades, they do spin. And there's the engine strake on the inboard side of the engine cowling or engine nacelle. And then we have the engine on this side and This one also spins, the strake, and then you have that inboard landing light. The nose gear, we don't have any realistic looking landing taxi lights. Alright, continuing down the wing. We come to the winglet, where we have the Malaysia Airlines logo and also the red navigation light. Sorry about that, had to I just dropped something on the ground, which I do need for this review. Registration number 9MMAB or 9 Mike Mike Alpha Bravo. Then we have the bulk bin door below the windows. And then on the tail we have the Malaysia Airlines logo. Now let's take a look at the APU exhaust. Exhaust is quite well detailed. Got the markings for the strobe lights beneath the exhaust. And now on the port side, we're going to go to the cockpit windows first. We also have the pitot tube static ports, part of the registration on the gear door, Malaysia Airlines titles, the Malaysian flag, the front cargo container door, the Trent XWB engine, then we have the winglet with the Malaysia Airlines logo and the green navigation light. And back of the aircraft we have the rear cargo container door, registration number and the logo. Take a look underneath the model now. We have the nose gear, antennas, the hole for the stand, main gears, gear doors, some naked ducts right there. Just bring this light down a little bit. That's better. Sorry about that in the past. I have noticed the lights have been quite bright when looking underneath the wings, things like that. So we have all the details there, flaps, slats, ailerons. There's the fuel dump valve. Underneath the engine, there's also the engine sump drain valve, and the same underneath this wing but with the registration. Continuing down, we have an antenna. Got a bit of dust, there we go. And it's in focus now, where you have the APU housing. On top we have markings for antennas. We have the anti-collision beacon, ADF antenna, another antenna there. On top of the wings, flaps, slats, ailerons and spoilers, and we have the do not walk outside this area markings. Also have the logo on the inside, the inboard side of the winglet, on top of the engines. And then the same on this side. Continuing down with an antenna there. The sorry, I didn't mean to say that was ADF. These are ADF. I don't know why I got mixed up. This is SATCOM and Wi-Fi. And then one last antenna. And then we have the two grey dots on each horizontal stabilizer. They are the logo lights that light up the tail at night time. Okay, we'll go through the seating for this aircraft now. So we'll start with first class. That has 4 closed suites, and that is just the very first row, so I'm not even going to point that out. Then we have business class, 35 flatbed seats, rows 2 to 3 and 5 to 11. That is going to be from about the third window to I think mid-wing, so about here somewhere. Sorry, you couldn't see that, it's a bit blurry, put it right there. And then from that point, we have economy extra legroom, 27 seats, rows 12 and 14 to 15. That is from, well, that goes from there to there, and then from there to the back of the aircraft is all economy, which is 220 seats, rows 16 to 41, with a total of 286 seats. So just some of the features for this model now. Landing gear, it does roll. Tilts, and nose gear swivels. So the gears seem to be working a lot better than some of the others recently, which is good to see. I'll show off the stand. So we have the white metal base. Underneath, that's where the piece screws on that goes into the aircraft. But that all comes assembled in the box, obviously, as you've seen. And on top we have the padding, so you don't scratch the model underneath. So just chuck this model on here. So it's quite a tight fit. I can take it out, which is good. Bit of paint's come off, but thankfully not on the outside, so just inside that hole, which sits on the stand. Just gave it a double check to make sure of that. Now the gears are, of course, magnetic, can easily be removed and put back into place. We do have gear doors here to use if you wish. And see if yes they do. So they sit in their natural position. That's how the gears look, like it's coming in for landing, if it's just taken off. That's the position they are in before they get locked up before stowage. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed. Please leave a like if you did. Comment, tell me what you think of this model, tell me if you're going to get it. I really like this model, it's a great addition to my collection, even though it doesn't come into Auckland. I just had to get it. I'm actually, as some of you may know, of course, I'm not a massive fan of the A350. However, I wouldn't say accepting it is too weak of a word. I would say, I kind of say I am liking it more and more every day. The shape of it, the wings, it does look good. But it is a great addition to my collection. Please subscribe for more and share this video as well so other people can know about this model and see if they want to get it too. And I have a lot more on the way, a lot more models, plane spotting, and hopefully other content which I really want to release. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.